Myself Anand Dwivedi, welcome you all to the e-learning platform of St. Michael Academy Betia. Dear students, today we are going to discuss the questions which have been given as holiday homework for this summer vacation. These questions are from Geography of class 10. The first question is, which one of the following type of resources is iron ore? 4 options are given here. Renewable, flow, biotic, non-renewable. So you have to choose the correct answer. Question number 2 is, which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? What are the main reasons of land degradation in Punjab? We have to write here 4 answers are given: intensive cultivation, over irrigation, deforestation and overgrazing. So you have to select which one is a right answer. Question number 3 is, justify the statement resources are a function of human activities. Resources are function of human activities. How? So you have studied that most of the resources are manufactured by human being, or the resource which we obtain from our nature, that is to be converted into more useful resources. So you have to explain how human activities have made resources more useful, more important. Now, question number 4. Explain the classification of resources on the basis of exhaustibility and give 2 examples of each. On the basis of exhaustibility, you have studied 2 types of resources: renewable, non-renewable. So you have to explain them, as well as you have to write the examples of each of them. Now question number 5. Which soil is known as cotton soil? Which soil is known as cotton soil? You have read the answer. It is a very short answer question. Give 2 examples of renewable resource. Of course, only 2 examples which can be renewed. Question number 7. Name 3 states having black soil and the crop which is mainly grown in it. You have to write the name of 3 states where we find black soil, and of course we have to write about the crops which are grown in black soil. Question number 8. What steps can be taken to control soil erosion in hilly areas? Soil erosion, how we can control, especially in hilly areas, you have to mention. Question number 9. How are natural resources important for us? Give 5 points. In 5 points, we have to write the importance of natural resource as the answer of this question. Question number 10. What do you understand by sustainable economic development? Sustainable economic development definition is to be written here, and a little bit explanation is required. Question number 11. What is Agenda 21? You have to write a short description of Agenda 21, which was signed in Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit, which took place in Brazil in 1992. Question number 12. What type of soil is found in river deltas of the eastern coast? Give 3 main features of this type of soil. So, the type of soil which we find in deltaic region, of course it is alluvial soil. So, about the features of alluvial soil you have to write. Question number 13. What are biotic and abiotic resource? Give some examples. You have to write the definition of biotic and abiotic resources, as well as you have to give some examples. Question number 14. How has technical and economic development led to more consumption of resources? Students, the time which is passing now is the time where lots of scientific development has taken place. Now we are dependent on different types of machineries and different types of technology. But these technologies and science have caused lot of consumption of resources. So how it has been, you have to explain in this question. Question number 15. Explain 3 stages of resource planning. When we plan for resource, 3 steps have been mentioned in your book. I have taught you. So those 3 steps are to be explained here. Question number 16. Whom did Gandhiji make responsible for depletion of resource at the global level? Mahatma Gandhi said that a particular segment of people are responsible for degradation of resources. So who are they? You have to write as answer. Question number 17. Explain soil erosion and give 3 steps that should be taken to control soil erosion. Soil erosion. First of all, you will write definition, you will explain them, and then you will write some steps by which we can prevent soil erosion, we can stop soil erosion. Question number 18 is, what is laterite soil? You have to write about laterite soil. Question number 19, why has the land under forest not increased much from 1960-61? From 1960-61, land under forest have not increased much. What are the reasons? These reasons are to be explained here. And the last question is, show the distribution of major soil types found in India on map. Dear students, this is a map work. You have to purchase 1 sheet of map from the market, or if you can draw yourself, you can do. And on that map, you have to show the distribution of soil. Means which soil is found in which area of our nation, you have to depict it. The same map is given in your textbook. You can go there for reference. You can take benefit from that map, and you have to make it. So in this way, these 20 questions are for whole day homework. In summer vacation, you have to do it very carefully, and you have to submit as you get time after opening their school or through electronic media. So only this much for today. Thank you very much.